Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Muslogy floor mat for the 2022 Plus Ford Maverick hybrid version. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. And also a big thanks to Muslogy for sending these out to me. I'll be doing a giveaway. One lucky winner is going to get this whole thing for free, shipped directly from Muslogy. I will have details later in the video on how to enter this contest for a chance to win this set right here. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so here are the floor mats from Muslogy. As you can see, we got the driver side right here. We got the passenger side. And then we have the rear mats for the Maverick hybrid. Straight out the box, you know, it does have a nice textured feel to it. Nice and durable feeling as well. I'm sure over time that should correct itself. And again, this is for the hybrid version for the Maverick. I have the EcoBoost, so these may or may not fit on my truck, but we're gonna go ahead and put them in anyway. Here's the driver's side, pretty nice. And if you turn them around, you can notice they have like these little notches so they secure nice and snug to your floor of your truck. Now straight up, what I'm looking at is you have these holes right here. That may or may not be a problem with water. When you plug them in, you know, if you get like rainwater on your shoes or something, it may seep down into the notch right here. But other than that, you know, these are some pretty decent looking floor mats. So yeah, guys, you know, let's go ahead and get these floor mats installed into the truck. Guys, so right now we have the rear floor mats. I'm not sure if this is going to fit my truck, but we're going to go ahead and find out anyway. Let's go ahead and get this thing in here, just like so. And so far, you know, it looks like it almost fits. I guess there's like a difference in the dimensions for the floor. But again, this is for the hybrid version, not the EcoBoost. So this is how it would more than likely look inside of the hybrid. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. It's nice and sleek, man. All right, so let's go ahead and hop over to the front. Now here's the passenger side. It just easy install, goes in just like so. And it snaps in place just like that. Again, not a perfect fitment for my truck, but for the hybrid, it should work. And that's how it looks. Not bad. All right, guys, now here's the driver's side. Again, just slide it in and it snaps right into place. Just like that. Muslogy says this is made out of a TBE material, which is a anti-slip thermoplastic kind of material that they use for the floor mat. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice. Again, you know, if you are interested in picking one up, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below to their Amazon store. And yeah, you know, these are nice floor mats. You know, for the price, you really can't go wrong with them. Nice protection, coverage over everything over here. Yeah, I give it a 2 thumbs up. Alright guys, so the moment that we've all been waiting for is how to enter this contest. Well, all you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment down below. And then 1 week from the posting of this video, I'll go ahead and use the Wheel of Names to select one lucky winner. Once the lucky winner is announced, I'll go ahead and post a comment under your original comment. I'll provide you with my email address. Just go ahead, shoot me an email, and then we can go from there. The only information I'm going to be needing from you is your name and your address, so the floor mats can get shipped out to you. Well, that's a wrap for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below for the Muslogy hybrid floor mats and the EcoBoost floor mats as well. Yeah, guys, hope everybody has a great weekend, and I'll see y'all again on the next one.